welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick, cute, to the point, smoky holiday eye look. And I literally only did my eyes on camera because I have tons of videos showing you how to do a base. So be sure to check that out. In today's video, we're going to be using Morphe and some black owned businesses. So be sure to stay tuned to see how I get this look. So I did my face off camera and I wanted to show you the actual finished look. Well, not the finished look, but show you the eyes on camera, since this is a eye holiday makeup look. I'm challenging myself today to do something a little bit different. Go ahead and prime your eye. I'm gonna do one on camera and one off camera. Let me know if you like me doing it that way. I just find that the videos can stay shorter and straight to the point if I do them that way. So I'm just gonna blend out that concealer. So I know that the holidays are gonna be looking a little bit different this year, but it's still okay if you're in your house or you're taking holiday pictures. This will be the perfect look. I am gonna do a little bit more smoky compared to what I would normally do, and I am gonna be using this palette from Morphe, which I've talked about before and used before, but it's the perfect palette since it is a holiday palette collection. So I'm gonna be using Chamber. I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna be using Chamber, which is like a dark brownish color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid. I did do a fall brown, like smoky eye video, and I did like it. So now I'm like into this smoky eye type thing. I don't even know what you want to call it, but I'm gonna take this brown and I'm really gonna pack it on there because I find that I can be a little light-handed and it doesn't always show the way that I would want it to show. So this is like less of a creative video rather than like an actual video that you, or actual makeup look that you can rock for your holiday pictures. So I'm just gonna continue to build up this brown shade on my lid. So now that we got that, I'm gonna take this Love Story shade and I'm really gonna apply that on the center of my lid as well to give it a little bit of color. And as you can see, it's giving like this light hue of a pinkish shade. This color is more of like a dark burgundy. So just continue to build up that product. If you're not using this palette, you can use any similar shade. If you like it to be more colorful, you can use like red, green. I'm staying within my realm. So this is brown and burgundy. Now we're just gonna go back in with that brush that used the brown and blend it out. And then we're gonna go back in with that Love Story shade and continue to put that on top. Perfecto. Now we're just gonna take some of that Love Story shade and use it on the lower lash line. And make sure it connects to the outer corner over here. And you can put as little or as much as you want. But now we're gonna take this Crushing Hard, which is this intense, if I can pick it up. It's not gonna pick up. Crushing Hard, and apply this to the lower lash, this glitter. Glitter makes me nervous because if I get it in my eye, I would freak out. Look how pretty that is. Ooh la la. If you like glitter, this is definitely your thing. If you're opposed to glitter, then skip this step. Now we're just gonna take a little bit of this Get Digit shade and put it on the inner corner to give us a little bit of a pop. Now I usually don't do liner, but I'm gonna take like a wing liner, I should say. But now I'm just gonna take a liner and smudge it out. So if we're using this NYX Epic liner, I'm gonna take this on the lid and then get a brush. Let's see if I can find a clean brush, like a smudging brush, and kind of smudge out this black so it's not as harsh. If it's not smudging, what you can do is, because this is what I'm gonna have to do, take the darkest shade in the Morphe palette and apply it right on top. So that's that Make It Official shade, and then smudge out that black that way. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want a super harsh line. I kind of want just like a soft line, but I also wanted it to be intense. See what I'm saying? So that when we apply our lashes, it just looks flawless. That same brush I was using to smudge, and just bring that shade towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna need to pick up some more. And then I'm just gonna like lightly flick out whatever's left to create just like that soft liner. Cute, super cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. Look how bald it is. And I'll be back. Okay, so now that we finished the other side, go ahead and grab the closest lashes to you. I just picked up these lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. Those are like my go-to lashes these days because I enjoy just like the quality of them depending on like what kind you get. Like I usually get this 5D lash in different shades, and they're only $1.99, so like why not? So now let's do some eyebrows. I've been the minimalist and doing the least amount of work when it comes to my brows recently, only because they're growing out and I'm just loving like a flared out brow type look. But today we are going to add a little bit of structure to them while we wait for our lashes to dry. So just go ahead and brush up your lashes. You can already see the intensity. Yeah, we don't even have on our lashes yet. So I'm just going to fill in this sparse area towards the end. Sparse indeed. Creating just a little bit more of a shape. Okay, this is what I mean by like not structured at all. Like I barely filled them in, I barely touched them. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and throw on these lashes because I'm eager to see the finished look. I should have clipped these maybe a little bit, or maybe not, I don't know. I usually like more natural lashes, but I decided to switch it up and get these dramatic lashes. And let's see if I like them or if they're just too much. I mean, I feel like they'll look good in photos. The key with lashes is to make sure they get a little tacky. And I'm literally just throwing them on there. All right. Ooh. So now I'm just gonna do some lower lash mascara. I'm not gonna do any like lower liner. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. It really just depends on how I'm feeling today. I'm not really feeling it. But let's go ahead and do the lips. So today we're gonna be supporting a black business. This black business is Estelle Lux Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using the lip liner Sugar Almond. And just kind of really filling in my lips. And you know what? I was gonna do a color. Well, let's see how that looks to kind of match our eye. This is Luscious. if I'm liking this combo with the eyes and the lips. I think I want a darker lip, so let me find the box. And I'm still gonna be using the same brand. I'm just gonna find a darker lip shade. Let's try Tempting on top of this. It's better. Y'all let me know down below if y'all like this lip with this eye. But today's video we went over how to get a smoky holiday look using some of my current favorite products. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Check out these 2 videos here showing you other cute makeup looks. Be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you will be doing for the holiday season. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.